In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up to NovaTrade Plus. Now, the first thing you want to do is you want to go to their new DEX website. There's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. If you sign up using my link, you'll get a 20% cashback on all trading fees when trading meme coins. So again, link down below. Make sure you check it out. You will not regret it. Now, to actually sign up on here, once you are on the website, click on the select wallet button, and then you have to select one of your wallets on Solana you want to continue. Okay, so for me, I'm just going to select Phantom over here, but of course you can select whichever one you want. Once you do that, click on the Connect Wallet button, and then here it's going to pop up your wallet. Click on the Confirm button, and if you're using Phantom, you have to do it twice to actually sign the message too. So click on Confirm again, and it's going to start loading. And then the next step before it takes you in there, sometimes, of course, if you haven't used my referral link, it's going to ask you for a referral code. You can just use mine. Again, as I said, the code is IHT. Okay, so make sure you use it for a 20% cashback. Otherwise, you will not get it. And when you're in here, you can just go ahead and see the new features and then go ahead and start actually using it because you've successfully signed up to NovaTrade Plus. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.